Have you ever looked at an Apple smartwatch and thought, that looks ugly and small?
So introducing the Intelligent Watch. If you wear this watch, your life is guaranteed to change. People will notice you more. Your wife might leave you, and you'll suddenly find your social calendar wide open. It also sparks intrigue. People will see you walking by and think, what the fuck is that? It's like the Cybertruck of watches. But most of all, it's practical. With its sturdy exterior, its elegant leather wristwatch straps, you can put it on and just go about your day without any trouble at all.
And against all odds, it also does something. I host my portfolio on an old laptop in my bedroom, which saves me about $5 a month and makes it 100 times more fragile. And this watch monitors whether the server, database, internet are still active and working, or warns me when one of them breaks. But how do you make it? Well, making one is easy. Just buy a 3D printer, a microcontroller, display, rotary knob, soldering iron, batteries, and a few types of wire. Then learn a little bit of CAD and some C programming, print a box, and put everything inside, and voila! The Intelligent Watch. I call it the Intelligent Watch because smartwatch was already taken, and intelligent sounds more expensive. Also, if you don't know, smart comes from Middle English and German, while intelligent comes from French. So, whatever that means.
And the bottom pops off so it's easy to reprogram.
So I was looking on the Apple website to kind of see the Apple Watch smartwatch pricing, just so I can know, how to price my intelligent watch. And the Apple Watch Series 11 is $400. So I was thinking maybe a price for my intelligent watch would be like 1 or 2K. Not sure. But for a one-time discount, because I only made one of these, I'll sell it to you guys for $19.99. So look for a link in the description below.